Hi everyone, today we're gonna be making English muffin. It's made out of malunggay. It's called Malunggay English muffin. Now we're gonna be using 10 cups of milk, yan. Add your own favorite milk, either regular or non-fat. And then 1 cup of dried malunggay leaves. That's already total. Now if you want some more, it's fine. And now we're gonna need organic flour, and total is 15 cups of flour. And then I added 1/2 tablespoon of salt. And that's 1 tablespoon, but the total of that baking soda is 1.5. So in case I made a mistake, please correct me there on my numbers of flour and my ingredients. They're all in there in the video. So that's the other half of earlier baking soda. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar cane. Make sure you mix it all up. Yan, kasama na yan doon sa kanina. That's already included in the measurement of my moringa. Yan, kasama na yan doon kanina. If you wanna add more, it's fine. Now I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of dry yeast in my warm. It has to be lukewarm for your milk. And 1/2 cup of olive oil. Yan, haluin nyo lang mabuti. Just mix it all up. Yan. That's almost done. Yan. Make sure before you cook it, you have to let the dough raise in more than double the size. Kailangan siya maging almost 2 beses na mag-alsa bago nyo ilagay sa oven. And then cook it in the oven for 30 minutes at 380. Yan. Make sure that's already done. So make sure before you take it out, you have to use a pick. Insert the pick inside, and when the pick comes out clean, that means it's done. Because sometimes your oven are different in temperatures, like the heat. Sometimes it gets too hot, it gets warmer, or cooler. So depending on your location, when you are up high in the mountain, it takes longer to cook. Yan, yumminess. Thank you for watching. I hope you are enjoying my video. Yan. Bye. Have a great day. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.